Friday, August 14th, 2009 at 4:37 p.m. Three of the greatest YouTubers that ever existed teamed up to create the funniest content ever uploaded to the internet. Here is the result.
So,
God, it'd take up like a third of the...
so, what was your idea?
Okay,
so
this is one take, right? We're not going to edit
yeah,
this.
what are we doing here? We're,
I know how to do the sound.
He knows how to boom, Lisa.
Boom your face.
That's
Okay, so
perfect.
shut.
Perfect booming.
Here's what we're doing.
After realizing they had no comedic timing or talent, the tiresome trio agreed on a contest. The rules were simple. Try to make the person talking laugh.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, ready?
Should we do
Awesome.
stand up?
hold on, I have to have a minute to get
Okay.
myself together because I'm
There we
already
go.
a little
Compose
giggly.
yourself.
Don't laugh.
Yeah, compose
Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. No laughing.
This is never gonna happen.
No laughing, laughing.
Oh, you stepped on my
butt!
I have to have a moment to
Composure.
get composed.
Just let us know when you're composed.
Just let us know when you're
This is
ready.
never gonna happen. You're right. I laugh
Let
at
us
everything.
know when you're ready.
Just listen.
Maybe I'll just do my Sanya winners
Okay.
while you're...
Yeah, while you're effing around. Get some composure, Lisa Nova.
It's over. It's already over. Okay, ready?
Shay just
Hold
took
on.
my balls as he ran by.
Speculation.
Okay. All right. So I have picked.
That's too easy. That was too easy.
He just breathed and I started laughing. Well, my winner is Rockstar Raquel, and she's getting a $1,000 camera. No, again. She's gonna get a
Great idea. Let's do it again.
Idea, Shay.
Sanyo camera.
You're
A
so
Sanyo
good.
camera at $1,000, and this is her video.
Can't touch her. We can't.
Oh, we're not touching.
We can't touch.
Sorry.
Hi there, my name is Jackie Palami, but you can just call me Aunt Jackie, and I'm here to sell you a product that's gonna change your life, and I'm gonna do it all in less than 90 seconds. It's called the Sanyo Exacti Camcorder, and if you don't have one, get off your butt and get one. Now the Sanyo Exacti Camcorder films in HD. That means high definition, better than this piece of crap that you're filming me with.
The station also has a video that's out today. I don't think you need to be right there with the boom. You guys, tune in to the station because we have a video in the sanitation. Links in the sidebar.
Check it out. The paper cut.
Okay, the boom is too close. It's gonna be too loud.